negligence matter, there is a two-pronged test: liability and injuries. The first thing we do is determine who is liable for the accident. If we find that it is someone other than our client, then we would move forward and determine what the injuries are. And in this case, we're dealing with personal injury cases, so that would be injuries to the body of the client. We would move on and we would find, did the client have injuries? Did the client go to the hospital? And what did the hospital ascertain the injuries were? Many times people will not go to the hospital right away. They may first go to a doctor. That is because sometimes through the adrenaline pumping in the body, they may not know that they were actually injured until sometime after the accident. Once we determine what the injuries were, whether there's surgery, whether there are neck problems, back problems that can be objectively determined through testing such as an MRI, we would move on to the next phase, which would be doctor's reports indicating that the person is now on a plateau. They're not getting any worse, they're not getting any better. We term that maximum medical improvement. And at that time, if the client has either scarring or a permanent injury as determined by a doctor, we would determine how much the case is worth. Ladies and gentlemen, that would give you the first part of what we would do in an injury case. This has been Jodat Knows That.